Namaste. My name is Manisha Singh, Assistant Professor in Department of Food and Biotechnology under Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we will discuss about the food safety and quality control subject for DET FPT sixth semester. Okay. So in today's session, we will discuss all about the rating test. In our previous session, we were discussed about the sensitivity test and what is sensory analysis methods by the subjective method. Okay. Sensory analysis by the subjective methods and the sensitivity test. In today's session, we will discuss about what is rating test and its types. So begins with the topic rating test. Okay. So the main purpose of sensory test is you have to select the qualified judges and the study human perception of the food attributes, correlate the sensory with the chemical and physical measurement, and study of the processing effects, maintain quality, evaluate the raw material selection, establish storage stability or reduce cost, and evaluate quality or determine the consumer reaction. So there are the types of the sensory test. Number one is a difference test, in which includes the paired comparison test, duo trio test, and triangle test. This will cover in this session. We will cover it in this session as well. Then rating test is the ranking test, single sample test, two sample difference test, multiple sample difference test, hedonic rating test, and numerical scoring test, and composite scoring test. Sensitivity test we already done, which includes the sensitivity threshold test and dilution test. And last one, we have the descriptive test. So the ranking test is used to determine how several samples differ on the basis of a single characteristic. The panelists are presented all the samples with the code number and are asked to the rank. The panelists are asked to rank the coded samples according to their preference. Okay, so a multiple samples ranking test is quick, simple, and useful tool to assess the differences in preference or sensory attribute intensity among multiple products. So in this test, each panelist evaluates and ranks a complete set of the samples, once generating one vector of the multiple dependent data. So this is the ranking test performer, in which the panelists have to write their name, product, and the date. So there is a please rank the samples in numerical order according to their preference or intensity of the aroma and taste characteristics of the product. So there is a sample code and you have to give the preference. So which you like the most of one sample, you have to give the rank 1, then rank 2, and rank 3 and rank 4. Okay, that is the ranking test. Then we have the simple sample test, single sample test. So the panelist is asked to indicate the presence or the absence and or intensity of a particular quality characteristics with the trained panelist. Okay, so analysis of two or more samples evaluated at the different times and by a different set of untrained panelists can be compared. So this is the single sample test performer, in which you have to write the name, your name, product name, and your date. So in which you are giving some suggestions, or you can say instructions, like please taste and rank the samples carefully, and can you detect any off flavor in the product, then circle 1. If you detect any off flavor, please list it below. Okay, intensity, you have praise, moderate, and strong. If there is a strong off flavor, then correct, circle the strong one. If there is moderate, then circle the moderate one. And if there is a trace of that flavor, then circle the trace one. And comments of flavor is due to why, then of odor is due to what, of taste is due to what, and residual taste is due to what, and other defects, if any, then you have to mention. This is the single sample test for the and it is a ranking test. It is a part of the ranking test. Okay, it is a type of the ranking test basically. Next we have the type is two sample difference test, and this test is the variation of the paired test and measure the amount of difference, and each tester is served 4 pairs of samples, and in 2 pairs duplicate samples, other 2 pairs test samples, and the test variable And to judge the independently difference test, the test sample are standard on a scale of 0, representing no difference, to 3, representing extreme difference. Okay, so the panelist is not guess, and he is guessing through the coded duplicate standard in the two pairs. So this is the two sample difference test performer, in which you have to write your name, date, product, and instructions are like compare the coded sample in each of the 4 pair given, and taste may or may not be different from the reference sample, and you have to determine the degree and direction scale. So degree is the number is the no difference 0, then very slight difference is for 1, moderate difference is 2, and large difference is 3. Directions is super to standard S, equal to standard E, and inferior to standard is I. So comment on what the difference is based on their taste, odor, or both. Okay, so there is a sample code number you have to write, then degree difference like what 0, 1, 2, 3, then direction S, E, I you have to mention, and if you have any comment, so mention here, and then signature. So this is a prototype of filling the two sample difference test performer. Next, we have the multiple sample difference test, and each panelist is served with the 3 to 6 samples. One sample is a known standard, and panelist compares each coded sample with the known standard. And one coded sample is a duplicate of the another sample. And the panelist is not to guess. And direction and difference of degree of difference is also be judged. And so in multiple sample difference test, there you have to write the name, product, date, and you have to taste it carefully for the quality characters to be evaluated to the reference sample for odor and flavor. Then rate in each sample degree and of the difference and direction of the quality. Then degree of difference and direction of quality. There is a rating scale that is 0 to 3, and difference from the standard is none, slight, moderate, and there is a E, I, S. Then you have to write the sample code number here, order of degree direction comments, and flavor degree direction comments. Okay, so that is the multiple sample difference test, performer of the multiple sample difference test. Next, we have the hedonic testing, for which we basically prepare the food samples, ask each taster to taste each sample in turn, and tick a box from 1, that is dislike very much, to 5, like very much, to indicate their preference. And this is a 5-point scale. Sometimes a 9-point scale is used, and the taster may also wish to make remarks about the product appearance, taste, odor, and texture. So analyze the results on the basis of which sample received the highest or the lowest scores, and which samples was preferred by them. And this hedonic testing is mostly used in the food industries. This is the hedonic rating test, and there is a name. You have to write your name, then product name, and the date. And these taste these samples. There is the instructions like taste these samples and checking how much you like or dislike each one, and use the appropriate scale to show your attitude by checking at the point that best describes your feelings about the sample. So there is a scale like a 9-point scale is there, that like extremely is for 9, 8 is for like very much, 7 is for like moderately, 6 is for like slightly, 5 is for like or dislike, neither like nor dislike, and then 6 is for uh, 4 is for dislike slightly, 3 dislike very much, 2 is for dislike moderately, and 1 is for dislike extremely. So this is a table or a 9-point hedonic scale, on which on the basis of you have to give remarks to the food product after sensory. Okay, so and then after the you perform the sensory analysis, then you will signature here, and that is the performer of the hedonic rating test. Then we have the numerical scoring test. One or more samples are represented to the each panelist, and panelist evaluates each samples on a specific scale for a particular characteristics indicating the rating of the sample. Then the panelists are trained to follow the sensory characteristic corresponding to the agreed quality, descriptions, and scores. So this is the numerical scoring test performer, in which you have to write your name here, then product sample name is there, and then date. on which you are performing the sensory analysis. Then please rate these samples according to the following description. Like there are scores already given and the quality description is already given, and you have to give marks according to the taste, flavor, texture, and the sensory properties of the food product. Accordingly, you have to give marks to the food product. Okay, so 90 means the food product is excellent, 80 means the food product is good, and 70 is the sample is fair, and 60 is the sample is poor. So this is the numerical scoring test, and you just giving marks to the samples, and higher will be the marks, higher will be the acceptability of that food product. Okay, so in these row columns, sample name, sample code you have to write, score you have to mention, like if you the product quality or the product overall acceptability is 90, excellent, then your score here is 90, and comments if you want to give any comment to the food product or any changes and any comments given to that, you can write it here, and then signature. Then composite scoring test. The rating scale is defined so that the specific characteristics of a product are rated separately, and this method is helpful in grading the products and comparison of the quality attributes by indicating which characteristic has fault in a poor product, and it gives more information than the straight numerical method. So we are using the composite scoring test rather than numerical scoring test. So in which there is a name of the panelist, date on which the sensory analysis is done, product, for example, there is an orange marmalade, then there is a quality attributes like color, consistency, flavor, absence of the defects, and possible score you are giving like 20, 20, 40, and 20. Then there is a sample scores, then you have to give out of 20 you have to give the marks, and then if you have any comment, so comment accordingly. Okay, if you want to change that product, if you want some addition in that product, then you can write it here. And if you want to give any remark to that preparator, then you can give them. Okay, so I think it is clear to all. This session is clear to all. From this session, questions may be asked like what is rating test, okay, ranking test, and explain the different types of ranking tests with their performer, and what are the benefit of doing the ranking test, what is the need of doing ranking test, and a big question may be asked like explain the ranking test with its different types of tests. Okay, so likewise questions will be asked in your final exam, so prepare accordingly, and thank you so much for watching this session.